How to erase in Picsart. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily erase images in Picsart. First of all, open Picsart application. Now here in the middle, you can see this plus icon. Tap on this to create or open any of your project. Now in this section, you can open or create any of your project. Here I am selecting my older project. So I am in this editing platform now. Here on the bottom, swipe right until you find the option called remove. Tap on remove. So this is the option that makes us remove the images or delete images parts. Now you can even resize the brush and select the area which you want to remove. So here I am selecting this part. Now tap on remove. So it will take some time. So as you can see, the area has been erased, a bit blurred, and this picture has been displayed like that. So at last, tap on this apply button on the top and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.